The project management environment is never standing still. It sensitively reacts to global changes and brings new opportunities as well as traps every year. Agile project management emphasizes collaboration, transparency, iterative delivery, and team-oriented problem solving. Agile project management is becoming increasingly popular as organizations realize its capabilities for providing higher levels of flexibility and responsiveness. Advanced technology like artificial intelligence boosts performance and provides real-time insights into project progress and performance. Furthermore, new cloud-based project management solutions offer greater scalability and flexibility. Remote working enables teams to collaborate across continents and time zones, increasing productivity and enabling teams to work more effectively. Project managers must equip remote teams with the right tools and technologies in order to maximize team performance and collaboration. By leveraging data and analytics, project managers can make informed decisions quickly and accurately and optimize their project plans. Data-driven decision allows project managers to track progress, identify risks, and enable agile decision-making. Quality assurance is critical for successful project delivery, as it helps to ensure that project requirements are met and expectations are exceeded. Quality is also important for long-term customer satisfaction, as it helps to ensure a positive user experience and a successful outcome. Stakeholder engagement is becoming increasingly important for project management. By engaging stakeholders in the project planning and execution process, project managers can gain valuable insights into the project and ensure that stakeholders understand the project objectives and can contribute to its success. Project managers must be able to identify potential risks, assess their impact, and develop mitigation strategies. By leveraging risk management practices, project managers can ensure that projects stay on track and successful outcomes are achieved. Redmine has absorbed the best of both open source and commercial enterprise softwares, flexibility and functionality. See for yourself with our free Redmine UP trial.